Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you around the cellular gel, what is inside the cellular gel, the view, the building. I'm going to show you everything, so yes, follow me up.
These are the people who were jailed here by the British. Oh, burning flame.
So now we are inside the cellular gel and we are entering to one of the cell. Here we have Sachindranath Sanil, an Indian revolutionary who was born in 1890. He was imprisoned twice in this cellular jail. He was also a mentor for revolutionaries like Chandrasekhar Azad and Bhagat Singh. Unfortunately, he contracted tuberculosis disease in jail and passed away in the year 1942.
Another block here. See, torture over the structure.
To the second floor. It's like this building. This
Gallo.
flogging frame.
Can stand. Crossbar.
Crossbar.
This is how they punish. This is how they punish us coming to our land, torturing our own men, the naked.
Hꯧzik ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯦ cellular jail Andamanꯗ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯁꯤ hꯧzik ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ oil mill. All prisoners, they were tortured, they were
Make them work.
yeah.
This is how they produce this coconut oil. They put the live coconut also, and the way how they peel the coconut shells. And this is the oil mill, I think. Yeah, this is how they. Sorry. This is how they extract the oil.
This is a place where they perform shows or something.
Yeah. Maybe.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share, like, and comment. Thank you everyone. See you in my next vlog.